to go. Now at this point, we're going to create another null point for the left side of the road, because we may have an intersection on the left side of the road. We may not want to see the curb and gutter and the sidewalk and the end conditions, so we're going to take care of that for the left side of the road as well. So again, we'll create another null point using basically the same process. So I will left click in the template view here, then I'll do a right click and hold my mouse button down for a few seconds until I get to add new component. And then we'll select null point. And this one we'll name it very similar to the other name for the point name, so it'll just be int underscore to left or to LT. Feature definition will be the same, linear, template points, DNC, navigate to linear, template points folder, DNC folder, and then select the TL, draft, DNC, feature definition. The precision input field, once again, set that to XY. And this particular point for the location in the input field here is going to key in 0, 2. Press enter on the keyboard, and you'll notice it places that point 2 units above the center line. Now, continuing the same process that we used for the other point, we're going to double click on this point, int underscore to left, double click that one. We're going to set the horizontal constraint, so for constraint 1, this will be horizontal, parent will be CL. For constraint 2, we'll set this to vertical, parent point will be CL, leave the value set to 2. And then toggle on the horizontal feature constraint option here. The feature definition list, go down and select miscellaneous in the miscellaneous folder, and then select match line. And then for the range, we're going to key in -100. Okay. So when you have that all set, you got the point ready to go, so you can go ahead and click apply. Now we have our 2 points set. Okay, so these points essentially are only going to be used when you have a corridor reference assigned to your corridor, and that corridor reference would be something that's using a feature definition that's called match line. So if somebody draws some pieces of geometry in your file, and it's on the feature definition of match line, and you add that as a corridor reference to your corridor, then these points would go out and draw to those locations horizontally.
Thank you. If you just close it.
Everybody follow along with that so far?